Hi, Katarina here with Beauty Junkies. Today I'm going to share with you how to use the Pro Pencil Brush to smudge liner or apply shadow on the top and lower lash line, creating a smoky effect in just a few easy, simple steps. So let's begin. Starting off, taking your brush, getting a little bit of shadow on there, whatever color you may like. Typically going for the more deeper shadows for this because we are going to be smudging out some shadows as well. And what we're going to do is, like you can see here, I do already have a line right here that I used with more of like a sharp precision brush, and it creates a really nice sharp line. If you want to smoke that out though, this pencil brush is perfect for that. What you're going to do is just take your brush and doing very small strokes going back and forth, you're just going to kind of buff out that line, creating a more smoky effect. Just going back and forth. And you can already see the difference right here of this being a very put together, very precise line, and then we have a little bit more of a smoked out lower lash line going on. You can definitely do that on the upper lash line as well, doing the same thing. Going right over that precise line that you have, and then just going buffing back and forth to kind of just smoke it out. Pencil brushes do such a great job at this because they have that perfect pencil point that you can just blend back and forth, but you can still be pretty precise at the same time because it is such a small point up there. And here's the finished look using the Pro Pencil Brush to smudge or smoke out eyeshadow or liner in just a few easy, simple steps.